Right, video number 35, the triads. What can I say to you about these triads? So basically you can see that the C major triad is based on C. Then we skip one note, then we again skip one note and we play it. So we have three notes with one note in between them. That is the C major triad. Then we play the same, we make the same structure, the same triad, but from the note D. Skip one, and this triad sounds minor, so this is a minor triad. Then we make the triad from E. Yeah, that's a minor triad again. So third is the minor. Then fourth is the major chord. Then fifth is the major chord. Sixth is the minor chord. Then seventh, that's a diminished chord. Yeah, do you hear it sounds very unstable? And then again we have the C major triad. So all these triads are based on the notes of C major scale. And now we will make the same triads in the C minor scale. So we need to remember that we have minor third, minor fourth, that we have minor third, minor sixth, and minor seventh. So to make the triads minor third, C, E, flat, G. That's why the first chord is minor first. Then second is a diminished. We already can recognize this very nervous chord. Then we have the chord on the third minor, which is E flat, and we have as a key signature we have B flat. So that's why there's E flat major. Then we have F minor because we have lower sixth, so F minor. Then we have G minor because of the low seventh note. Then we have on the sixth A flat, and we have E flat as a key signature, so that's A flat major. Then we have B flat major, and then we have first minor. Yeah, so basically these are the chords based on the minor scale. Thank you.